Launching the registration station application. Plug in and turn on your registration station office computer. Make sure the RFID reader is plugged into one of the USB ports on the side of the computer. Double-click the FairPick icon located on the desktop to launch the registration station application. You will need a customer portal account to log in to the registration station app. Enter your portal username and password, then click Login. Assign employee badges. If you haven't added employees to your customer portal account, you must do this first. Refer to the customer portal training video for instructions. To assign an employee badge, click the Make Employee ID Card button. All active employees are listed in the box. Click on the employee's name to assign him or her a badge. When a name is highlighted, you will see the employee's details appear on the right-hand side of the screen. This includes the employee's name, ID, and whether the employee has crew boss status. Remember, if an employee has crew boss status, his or her card can be used to program configuration cards and scan upload cards and data bucket cards at the weighing station. Have an employee RFID badge ready, either a bracelet or a card. You can also reprogram an old badge. Next, click Program Card. Hold the card or bracelet up to the RFID reader. Hold the card or bracelet to the reader until the computer chimes and you see the card contents appear at the bottom of the screen with the employee's information. If you rescan the badge by holding it to the RFID reader without pressing the Program Card button, the information programmed on the badge appears under Card Contents. This is one way to check if the information is programmed on that employee badge. To verify that the employee is now linked to a badge, log in to your customer portal account. To verify that the employee is now linked to a badge, log into your customer portal account, then click the Employee tab. After assigning an employee to a badge number will appear next to the employee. If the employee does not have a badge ID next to his or her name, go back to the registration station application and try reassigning the employee badge by highlighting the employee's name, clicking the Program Card button again, and holding the badge up to the RFID reader until it chimes.